Alright guys, this is the week 3, and I'm going to combine week 4 into this video. I'll show you what all I've got done. I got the grain elevator yard. It's just about done ballasted. I still got a few little touch-up spots I gotta get. Then I'm going to start getting some plaster and get my road fixed up right there. Those are also my yard spots, as I explained in the previous video. But I got some painting done back there. I'm going to start adding some detailed parts to the elevator here in November. And then I just painted this a while ago. And I'm getting ready to solder my first bit of solder. So I'll leave this camera running and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing. Find a spot where I'm not going to tear myself up. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. As you can see too in the background, I got my mill finally in. And I put a little Pillsboro Doughboy on that side. Another Pillsboro logo on the other side. I'll show you in a little bit. But I got the mill done. I got a few more details I want to put on it, but it's pretty much done where it needs to be. Got another billboard I'm going to put up. General Mills logo. Because General Mills and Golden Flower is what came out of that mill in real life. But I'm also throwing Pillsboro in there, because I always liked the Pillsboro. Alright. Let's see if I remember how to solder a wire to the track. Y'all can make fun of me if you want, but I got this 1970s or 80s soldering iron here. And a little bit of solder. You watch me. Hopefully I don't get burnt here. Yep. My first pre-drilled hole, I kind of dropped the dang solder down in the hole. That ain't gonna do me no good there. Oh buddy, I felt the heat off that one. Solder, where you think you're going? You don't need to be on the rails. Look at me making a big old mess. I ain't getting it on where I need to get it. We'll do a lot of sanding, that's for sure. Whoa, buddy, that just touched my finger. How come I'm getting it everywhere but where I want it? I tell you what, I just ain't no good at here soldering here. But you know what? I'm gonna keep on trying. There's a little piece left of this. I'm gonna twist it around here. Well, buddy, I'm starting to see some flames come out of that. Oh boy. Hang on, babies. We don't want no fire around here. Alright, there's the finished product, little blurb, but I just need to sand it down a little bit. There's a few little pieces of solder that fell off earlier. But I got her in there. That's one wire. As you can see, I got several places. that I need to be working on. Well, buddy, I noticed my lens is getting loose lately. It's getting loose, so I gotta hang on to it. So try not to get my band in there. But I got an IC truck. He ready to load up at the mill. It's kind of hard to see, but I got a Pillsbury, a gold medal, and the Doughboy. A few roof details on the mill. But yeah, that's what I've got so far. Waiting for my road to dry, and then over all this tools and ballast and other stuff, supplies I got here. That's gonna be a park area. And where all this junk is, this is gonna be my hill. I couldn't remember if I explained it in the other video, but I do have some what you call it, insulations. I'm gonna put that in there and build that up. I'm gonna get rid of all this paper and stuff that I just kind of filled in for the moment. And then I got to get back to working on my river and get it finished up. Got the concrete poured from my other industry. It's waiting for it to dry. Get some more paint. Now I haven't decided, since that only holds one car. I put a loading dock down here on the other piece of straight. Maybe load up more stuff. But I haven't decided. Maybe I'll put in some silos for plastic pellets. Because I kind of want to have a plastic pellets on my layout somewhere. And yes, that is an old Kmart semi. I wish I could find a few more of them. And then those buildings there in the corner, they're temporary. Got a general store and a log cabin. They're going to go on top of the hill once I get it built. And then the little oil well and the little three-wheeler, he gonna stay down there. But yeah, that's what I've got worked on so far for the month of October. Just gonna kind of finish it up, and then I'll give you the first week of November once that comes around. Alright y'all, God bless and have a great day. Remember to like my video, subscribe, drop me a comment. Tell me what you think of my layout so far. Any tips would be appreciated. And any ideas you think would be good. Alright y'all, later.